Hello and welcome to Insider Week. My name is Max Schulz, and in this video, I'm going to discuss with you the trading results from our commodity and futures trading according to COT data in week number 14. In the last 2 weeks, we posted our trading results in a text format because Insider Week made vacation. Nevertheless, we took some trades according to our strategy because I'm trading a swing strategy on a daily basis. This strategy is time saving. It allows me to conduct the strategy during the week using approximately 15 to 20 minutes. That's why I could trade on the strategy during vacation without my family feeling neglected at all. We hope that you were also able to enjoy your Easter break, and we are sure you did. Now let's have a look at our trading results. This week was profitable to us. Specifically in our COT strategy, we had a gain of $975, and in our champion strategy, we had a gain of $1,302. Let's have a look at the trades one by one. Let's start with the first strategy, the COT strategy. We started in week 14 with a portfolio consisting of 2 positions, mainly in Mexican peso, as well as coffee. We had 2 short contracts in coffee, and in Mexican peso, we had 16 long contracts on the large account and 1 long contract on the small account. In the end of the week, we were left with our Mexican peso contracts while we closed the coffee position during the week. Let's start with the trade that we closed during the week, which is coffee. As you can see, we received a sell signal on the weekly chart. You can see that the sell signal appeared at the resistance level. And that means that the COT data confirmed this resistance. On the daily chart, we waited for the right timing and thus for our entry pattern. This entry pattern was available, we were triggered, and we expected the trend to continue to the downside. As you can see, we had a small correction that didn't touch our stop. And then we moved our stop closer. As you can see, the trend didn't continue to the downside. And instead of that, price turned around and we were stopped out with a gain of $975. Next market is Mexican peso, where we still have these open positions. On the weekly chart, we received a buy signal. As a side note, we are receiving buy and sell signals from COT data, from seasonal trend, from sentiment, from the weekly trend, and so on. And then we are looking at the daily chart. Here we are looking for the right timing for our entry pattern to appear. We have been triggered according to our plan, and at the moment we are long 16 contracts. We are protecting our accounting profit, and we're waiting for our target price to be reached. As you can see, we also traded this market on our small account. As a reminder, we're trading a small account because we are supporting the traders in our trading group that trade a small account by showing how we would trade a small account. Because it's a small account, we can usually only trade 1 contract, as you also can see here in Mexican peso. Now let's have a look at our second strategy, the champion strategy. We started into the week with 2 open positions, which were 1 contract long each in palladium and soybean oil. And we closed these positions, and we are now left at the end of the week with 1 open position that we opened during the week, being Japanese yen, 2 short contracts. If you're interested to know the results from our champion strategy in detail, you can also look at our website. In this area, you can see the overall result of the strategy, and here you can see the results from our last 5 trades that are always updated. With the champion strategy, we were able to make a gain of $1,302 in this week. We started this account last year with starting capital amounting to $50,000, and we were able to reach a new all-time high with a total account value of $110,000. In the end, let's have a look at CRB index as usual. CRB index is the index for the commodity prices. And this index bounced back from a resistance level, and at the moment prices are consolidating. We must observe what kind of development prices will go. There are many scenarios that are possible. Either the trend could move downwards, or we could see a trend continuation to the upside. As mentioned, for now, the prices are consolidating. Let's have a look at the winners and losers from last trading week. As you can see, we have more winners than losers, but on the winner's side, we also have bonds and indices. We can see that commodities themselves are pretty evenly distributed, which is in line with what CRB index showed us earlier. That's it from our side this week. Thank you for your attention, and a little announcement here. We are developing new things. In the last 2 weeks, many things have been accomplished. We finished, for example, the migration to the .com domain. Now you will find Insider Week not on .de anymore, but only on .com. You can switch between German and English using this button here. So if you want to follow Insider Week either in German or in English, you can easily switch and easily do that as you like. Furthermore, the migration also helped the site to be faster from now on regarding display of data and tools that we are offering. In addition to that, we are renovating the display of the COT data in order to improve it visually. We want to improve the tables as well as the charts in order to enhance the readability and the design. As you can see, we are working on the website continuously, also in the member area, to improve the usability. We're also working on new projects that will be facilitating the life of futures traders using COT data. So, as last year and as years before, you can be excited for new material to come. So, thank you very much for your attention, and we wish you all a successful preparation for next trading week. And as always, be aware of the risk, because risk management is the key to success in trading. See you all at the next trading plan.